actually do all the living in the machinery.
We make the development for the controls hardware, specific parts in our conveyor technology, but also the design and execution of our controls cabinets.
The controls team is generally responsible for the realization of a project. So what we're mainly doing is hardware engineering for the project, software engineering for the project, in-house testing depending on how big the project is and if it makes sense. But usually it's part of the process. And then the commissioning on site.
We bring something to life. We program light goods and then we watch it become alive.
As soon as something moves, it's done by controls.
To have a team with a diversity, which means different way of thinking, different gender, different cultural, that would enable us to see the situation from different point of view, different mindset, and that will lead us to the solution.
I would describe Swisslog people as really, really friendly. Almost feels like having family around. Some of the best people that I've met in my life, without exaggeration, are people from Swisslog.
Share ideas, have ideas and communicate them.
We all are working for the same thing at the end, so we want to achieve the same goals, and that's how the Swisslog colleagues are.
We really strive with our technologies because we bring all the parts needed for such a warehouse. We can even build the building. We're mostly involved because we're kind of the veins connecting everything.
Every country has their own culture way of working, but in the end it's Swisslog culture. Means if you have an issue, if you need help, you can always just go to anyone and ask for help.
The people mostly you can meet here are the opposite of selfish. I don't know the exact word now, but I think you know what I mean here.
Again, feel like I can turn to anyone and ask for help, ask for support, and I would never feel like it's too much.
In the controls department, when you're finally on site, make the stuff that you were engineering for a while run, then you see the things moving from A to B, and that's also kind of not only interesting, because the technology that we are using is kind of impressive, but also satisfying at the same time.
Something I really appreciate at Swisslog is being able to focus on a task when it suits me, so flexibility. Having the option to also work from home is something I value a lot. That's really important for an engineer because you cannot force your brain to work from 8 to 5. You cannot put a value on that. If you're thinking about joining Swisslog, it's important for you to know that here you'll for sure be valued. You'll meet some of the most amazing people in your life and you'll be having opportunity to grow.
If you want to deal with innovative technologies, if you want to see things moving, if you want to operate in a great team with a good collaboration, then Swisslog is the right address for you.